Okay, ready?
Ready.
Okay. Aloha everyone.
Aloha.
This is Michael.
This is Crystal. Crystal Ra.
Yay, and we are saying aloha from Hawaii.
Aloha.
This video is to introduce our very first Estonian Minitour together.
Absolutely, and we're excited.
And the topic we have put on this one is kind of like from the Hawaiian fairy tale into reality, and we will give you the formula to happy relationships and abundance.
Yep, and we've been practicing.
Yay,
Yeah.
a lot, many years.
Yeah.
So we are really ready, and we will come to you. We will come to 5 different places in Estonia. So our tour starts on the 5th of June in Tallinn, the capital of Estonia. We will do it in Pelgulinna Rahvamaja, and this will be a little longer, and we will take extra time to really go through some interactive exercises, and we will show and share lots of stories from Hawaii, and even some tricks and tools from Hawaii and our adventures.
Yep.
And it will be really exciting. So save your date, and this will be really, really exciting. You will get the link to these events also underneath this video, so you can check out more details about how much and what time and so on.
Right.
The second meeting will be in Rakvere. So in Rakvere we will be hosted by beautiful Kaire Tervo in Rahulolu Pesa.
Mm-hmm.
And during the day we can also do sessions if anyone is interested. We'll have time for that, so you can sign up for that. And in the evening we will have fun and share our stories and do interactive exercises, whoever is there.
Yeah. Oh, we're going to Pärnu.
Yeah. 14th of June we go to Pärnu.
Okay.
And Pärnu is the Estonian summer capital.
Yeah.
So we'll have lots of white beaches there and white sandy beaches and so on. And there we will be hosted by Enese Täiendajate Klubi by Malle Luhar, who has been hosting me for many years in a very good way. So this year I'll also bring Michael, so each one of you who you are in Pärnu, you can come and say hello and also hug. Michael is really known for really good bear hugs.
I'm looking forward to giving out some hugs.
Yeah. So and there as well we'll have some time for private sessions, and we'll see if we can even get going one water day there. I'm working on some deals there, so check in with us about Pärnu and what's happening there. And Tartu is the university town in Estonia.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one too.
Yeah, and there we will be hosted by Arengutee Klubi, and Kristel Rõss has been a really good hoster for years as well, and she will host us, and we will have really much fun there as well. And the same, you can, if you are interested in sessions, let us know, and you can sign up for those as well.
Yeah, there'll be lots of information on the event and the private sessions before and after as well.
Yeah. On the 19th of June in Peti Alveri Museum, where we have the beautiful Heli Järv to host us. And Heli we know for also already for quite some years, and she also came to Hawaii. So
Aloha, Heli.
So she knows a lot about Aloha and how it is to move around here, and Hawaii was really crucial for her because she went through layers of water fear. So you have to come to Jõgeva to see her and talk to her and ask more questions. So how that was.
Yeah.
So this will be the first part of the tour, and this is basically what we have laid out for now. If you have a group of people, maybe 10 friends, or you have a hobby club or whatever, and you would like to invite us for your garden party or gathering or whatever, you can also take contact with us, because we have quite a lot of extra time, and we could also come and be your private guests and share our stories.
We would love that. And basically, these workshops are just getting together and opening up and conversations and sharing life experiences, the things that we believe we have that we can share with you to maybe inspire or unstick, or whatever these events can do. There's a lot of wonderful energy that's going to be there, so we hope to see you there.
You will definitely have a smile on your face, and you may even skip. So it will be really amazing to see you all there and share our experiences. And we will also bring some audiovisual stuff from Hawaii, so you can experience and see some of that as well. So it will be very multi-layered. It will be food for your thought, food for your body, food for your soul. You will definitely feel full after this meeting.
Yes, and not only do we have the workshops, but we are having a couple of retreats after that. And then, of course, we're honored to have been asked as guest international teachers for the Estonian Tantrafest. So we're real excited about being there for all the events and getting together and meeting with all of you guys. So.
And each other event, which we will have the retreats and also the Tantra festival, we have separate videos coming up. So I'll also try to translate all of them, so you'll have both in English and in Estonian. And also reminder to everyone who doesn't know, I'm actually an Estonian, so I speak Estonian. And if we don't get anyone to help us with translations, I will be the translator as well. So you will have an opportunity to come and listen in English and in Estonian. So this is a rare opportunity also for our foreign and other language speaking friends in Estonia. Yeah. So you can come and show up and actually understand what they are saying.
Yeah.
So we are very excited.
We are very excited.
So, and then if you see this video and this is already inspiring, really invite you to share in your circles.
Please share.
On your Facebook and wherever you feel there are people who would need this. And these mini tour events are affordable for everyone if you can't come for longer ones. And if you really like us and would like to go deeper, we really invite into looking to those retreats and go deeper with us.
Yeah, and the private sessions as well.
Yeah. And we are also opening up more and more online presence and online classes and courses together. We also just recently opened Infinite Activation page. We will put the link underneath here too, so you can go there and look some videos and some blog posts and information, which we will develop more and more as we go.
Yeah. So we're looking forward to seeing you there, and give us a shout out if you get this and you're looking forward to seeing us. We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah. See you soon, and till we can do a personal aloha hug, we'll say aloha and mahalo.
Aloha, mahalo.